was early in the morning, the sun was undecided, and the red horizon glowed.
We're up at Mile High Resort here.
Sky and earth divided.
Pretty special day. We got 5 bikes up here, 2 cabins, and hundreds of miles of riding. So we're in cabin 4 here, and we're also in cabin 5. Super nice cabins. Queen bed there. You've got a queen bed in another bedroom there, and a gas fireplace to keep you warm because it gets cold up here. And these are my 2 favorite cabins here. Cabin number 6 sleeps like 6 or 8 people. Quick walk down here to the lakeside. Are you kidding me? So that's your morning view when you have a coffee. A nice place to go hunting or fishing. Great all year around this place. This freezes over in the winter. They have a fireworks show here. You can skate and play hockey on this lake. Got options. You can stay in some really, really small cabins that are super affordable. Up at Mile High, BC, and yeah, we're seeking out some single track, some double track, some technical stuff. It's cold out, there's some icy conditions, and some lakeside rides. And we're testing out some new gear today too. We're testing out this WADZ mount camera, over-the-shoulder camera mount, so who knows how that's gonna work out. It's kind of hilarious. And we got Nick on his TX300. Salman's got a 6 days Portugal 2010 E or XC, and then Heavy Metal Dave's on a KLX. Wow, look at that.
Some people have a knack, getting what they need. Others are the given tree.
Up and down.
It won't split. Standing in the line, collecting my UI. Factory's closed, trucks running down the road. You'll be
Woo!
I said, oh, Hail Mary, where'd you put my pipe? The green bowl after I used to smoke in the night. Walking out on the field beneath the stars of glory. Move closer, and I told my story. I'm gonna get down on I should have studied harder. I should have put down the pen. All this poetry writings left me little in the end. Cause I work for a man, always doing all I can. But I'm selling his wares, and I'm bending all his tears. He was bound. So I said, oh, Mary, where'd you put my pipe? The green bowl after I used to smoke in the night. When I'm walking out on the field beneath the stars of glory. Move closer, and I told my story. I'm gonna get down on down. I wanna get down on down on down. I wanna get down on down on. Not like it used to be. Get a job at 19, work your way to the top. Too old, fill your spots. You got peers just like me, early 20, late 30. You're gonna need a PhD just to sell a man a TV. And ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. So I said, oh, Hail Mary, see where'd you put my pipe? The green bowl after I used to smoke in the night. Yes, I'm walking out on your field beneath the stars' glory. The moon moved closer. told my story. I'm gonna get down, yeah, I'm gonna get down. You wanna get down, on down, on down. You wanna get down, yeah, on down.
That was good, Sal.
Well, you got a rock right here. It was like, wow.
Does it get me better? It rides your bikes right to the flipping front door. I like it a lot.